Today we will discuss about the viral infections. So it is very difficult to remember all the things. That's why we will discuss about some important disease caused by viruses. So first of all, we have herpes simplex virus. Herpes simplex virus 1, which has Lipschutz bodies. So what are Lipschutz bodies? You'll get direct question on Lipschutz bodies, that Lipschutz bodies are present in herpes simplex virus, right? So Lipschutz bodies are the nuclear inclusions. There is nuclear inclusion around the cytoplasm. There are more than one nucleus around the cytoplasm, right? So this is your Lipschutz bodies. Second one, chickenpox, which is caused by varicella zoster or herpes zoster. This is also called James Ramsay Hunt syndrome, right? So how there are three things happen in the James Ramsay Hunt syndrome. What are these three things? It is very easy to remember. First of all, we have to write James Ramsay Hunt syndrome. So what is James Ramsay Hunt syndrome? There are three things which we have to remember. Okay, so first of all, there is a facial, we just make one diagram, and there is paralysis, facial paralysis on one side. So due to this, there is drooling of saliva from one side, right? Then the second one is vesicles formation in oral tissue, right? So how do we remember? How do we remember, right? So first of all, we'll write over here James Ramsay Hunt syndrome. So take first is vesicles, then generalized facial paralysis, then third is pain. Just remember these things, right? So these three things happen in James Ramsay Hunt syndrome. The next one is hand, foot, mouth. Hand, foot, mouth disease, which is caused by Coxsackie 16. Just remember Coxsackie A16, right? There is a Coxsackie virus, there is Coxsackie 10, there is Coxsackie 16. So just remember, there is hand, foot, mouth disease is caused by Coxsackie A16. Again, you will get direct question. And Coxsackie A10 cause acute lymphonodular pharyngitis. Lymphonodular pharyngitis, right? So, and there is one more thing associated with this also, herpangina or aphthous pharyngitis. So just remember 16 cause hand, foot, mouth disease, right? And your 10 will cause acute lymphonodular pharyngitis, right? And which one more thing associated with it is herpangina or aphthous pharyngitis, right? Just try to remember these things, right? First of all, there is macule, then papule, then vesicles formation, right? Macule, papule, and vesicle formation, right? Then come to your, there are two things now which we have to remember. Measles, which is called rubeola, and the next thing is German measles, right? Now, what is the difference between measles, rubeola, and German measles? German measles, first of all, measles, which is called rubeola, is caused by paramyxovirus. There are three things associated with it: capolic spot, right? Warthins, or which is also called fin cardine giant cell. These capolic spots are the halo around the redness, which is mainly present in first and second molar maxillary, right? Just remember. And third thing is Nikolsky sign, right? So there are three things associated with measles, rubella. Now, first I will tell you what is German measles, then I'll let you know how do we remember this. German measles caused by toga virus. So how do we remember this? German people, because they do not take care of their children, so it occurs in first month pregnancy, first month, right? Just remember that it occurs in German people. German people, they do not take care of their young ones, so it occurs in pregnancy, first trimester, not in first month, first trimester, right? Then your second is your Forchemer sign. Just remember the German measles occur in German people, right? Because they do not take care of their young ones, so it occurs in pregnancy, first month. Then Forchemer sign. Just remember these two things, right? Then come to your infectious mononucleosis. So what is infectious mononucleosis? It is also called as kissing disease. It is caused by Epstein-Barr virus. Again, there is a confusion between kissing disease, Epstein-Barr virus, right? Just remember three things again. Donne cells present. Monospot test is for that. And Paul Bunal test. Right. So just remember this. You'll get again direct question. So these, all the disease is very easy to remember. And one more, herpes. Cow dry type A. Just remember these points. Definitely you'll get answer in your exam. Right. So just remember this, very, very important to remember. Right. Then you just have to remember these viral infections, mainly in oral pathology. I'll let you know all other more disease, but these are most important, right? So let us revise them. First is herpes simplex virus. Herpes simplex virus 1. It has Lipschutz bodies. What are Lipschutz bodies? There is nuclear inclusion in the cytoplasm of the cell. Then come to your chickenpox, herpes zoster, varicella zoster, which is also called James Ramsay Hunt syndrome. We have to remember three things: vesicles in the lip, paralysis, facial paralysis. Then third is pharyngitis, which is painful, right? Then come to your hand, foot, mouth disease, which is caused by Coxsackie 16, A16, acute lymphonodular pharyngitis, which is caused by Coxsackie A10, herpangina and aphthous pharyngitis associated with it. There is first macule, then papule, then vesicle formation. Then come to your measles, rubiola, which is caused by paramyxovirus. It has capillary spots. There is a red halo around. These are mainly present in first and second maxillary molar. Then it has Warthin or Finkel giant cells. Then third is your Nikolsky sign. These are the signs of measles, rubiola. Then come to a German. It occurs in the German people caused by Toga virus. Just remember that it occurs in pregnancy first trimester. Okay. So we just have to remember Forchimer sign also present. Then come to your infectious mononucleosis. Just remember these things by kiss me bar do. So bar is your Paul Bunel test. M is your monospot test, right? So kiss me bar do. D is your Donez cells. And herpes is caused by Cordra type A. So this is very, 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 very important. Just remember this thing.